So let's get started. I have already typed the code. To make it short, you don't hesitate to pause the video and copy the code. So let's get started. So here we just included two header files. This is common. In our main program, we declared three variables. We declared three variables. Here, one variable we have assigned the value 0, and rest of the two are just variables. So why the value of r is 0, you will get to know a bit later. At first we took a number as input and stored it in the variable a. So let's consider we gave you entered a is equals to 1, 2 and 3. Let's consider it. You just enter and we saved it at a. So after that we started a loop where the condition is a greater than or equals to 1. A greater than or equals to 1. So why we are doing this is we need to find the reverse of a given number till the last digit is also reversed. So we are applying the condition a greater than or equals to 1 till the value of a remains greater than or equals to 1. The loop will work. So at the first statement of the loop, as we enter the loop, the first statement is b equals to a modulo divide 10. So here what does this statement does is, if you entered 1, 2, 3, it is modulo divided by 10, and the result is stored at b. And what is the answer if 1, 2, 3 is modulo divided by 10 is 3 is 3. Why 3 is modulo division means to take out the remainder, so its answer will be 3, and 3 is now stored in b. So in next step, now b has its value 3. So in next step we have next statement r equals to r into 10 plus b. So now here we assign the value r equals to 0, and now here we are multiplying it by 10. So does it make any sense? R equals to 0 and r into 10, so the value becomes 0, and 0 plus b becomes 3, because b has its value 3 already, so r also 3 now. So in the next line we have manipulated the value of a. Now a was 1, 2, 3 before, and now we have divided it by 10, and the result will be 12.3, right? And the result will be 12.3. So it will remove the decimal and just stores 1, 2 to the variable a. Now the condition is true, right? A equals to 12 is condition true, and now again it comes back to the first statement, b equals to a modulo divided by 10. So now we have the value of a is 12, and now if 12 is modulo divided by 10, b stores the value 2. The value was 3 before, and now 3 is replaced by 2 if it is modulo divided by 10. So now b stores the value 2, and in the next statement we have r equals to 3, and when 3 is multiplied by 10 it is 30, and 30 plus b's value is 2. Now 30 plus 2 is equals to, now it is 32. So r equals to 32 now. So in the next line, again we are manipulating the value of a. We have the value of a as 12, and now when 12 is divided by 10, we get 1.2. So after removing the decimal, we just obtain the value of a as 1. So a greater than or equals to 1, the condition is satisfied once again. So again, from first statement we will go through it, and the value of b will be stored as 1 this time. And again, when we come to the next statement, we have the value of r as 32, and when 32 is multiplied by 10, we get the value as 320, and we are adding the b whose value is 1 at the moment, so we obtain the value 321 in r. So coming to the next line, we have a equals to a divided by 10. So now we have the value a equals to 1. When a1 is divided by 10, we obtain the value as 0.1. So when the condition is checked, the condition becomes false. So the loop is executed, and the execution the loop is terminated, and the execution comes to the next line after the loop, which is the printing or displaying statement. Here we are displaying the reverse of the given number as r, because the reverse number is stored in the variable r. And that's it. Let's execute it. Let's compile it. We obtain no errors or warnings, so running it is asking to enter a number. So yes, 1 2 3, you enter the number, and the reverse would be 3 to 1, right? And 3 to 1 is the right answer. And like this you can run, we can check with other values also. 4 5 6 6 5 4 will be the answer. And that's it for the today's session. Thank you.